Now let us see our second method, that is how to solve differential equation solvable for y. Last bit which discussed was differential equation solvable for p. p के लिए equation solvable उसकी क्या condition होती है? that the differential equation could be expressed as n linear factors. अगर डिग्री n है differential equation की, so it should be expressed as n linear factors. Then we say that differential equation would be solvable for p. Now for a differential equation to be solvable for y, we say it should be expressed in the form of y is equals to function of x and p. That is what we have is y as an explicit function of two variables x and p. अगर हम हमारी differential equation को इस form में लिख सकते हैं, then we say it is solvable for y. Now what are the steps to solve this differential equation? In order to solve differential equation solvable for y, let us say ये है हमारी equation A. Perfect. In order to solve a differential equation solvable for y, what we have to do is, the first step is differentiate this differential equation, that is equation A with respect to x. The first step is we have to differentiate this equation A with respect to x. So what we will get dy by dx, which is equals to p as some function of xp and dp by dx. Perfect. So let us say this is our equation p. What we have to do now is we have to solve this differential equation. So solve differential equation p. The solution that we will get is, let us say the solution of this differential equation is some function of x, p and constant c equals to 0. So first step we have to differentiate the differential equation. Next we have to solve this differential equation. So let us say the solution of this differential equation is this, and let us call it c. The third step which we have to do is eliminate p from equation A and C. And let us say the equation that we obtain after eliminating is some equation phi of x, y equals to 0. So this is the solution of our differential equation y equals to f of x p. Once again, what we have to do is first differentiate this differential equation to obtain a differential equation of this form. Next what we have to do is solve this differential equation to get, and let us say its solution is something of this form. It would be a function of xp and some constant c. Next what we have to do is from this differential equation and the solution obtained, this equation c, हमें p को eliminate करना है, and whatever equation we will get after this is the solution of our differential equation. Now there would be some cases in which eliminating p would be tough, मतलब it would be complicated. So in such cases what we can do is, I will even tell you that step 3 only, express x as some function of p comma c and express y as some function of p comma c, and we will say where p is a parameter. हम क्या करेंगे, p को एलिमिनेट करने की जगह x एज अ फंक्शन ऑफ p and c एक्सप्रेस करेंगे, y एज अ फंक्शन ऑफ p and c एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. विल से दिस इज द पैरामीट्रिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ x and p. गेटिंग इट? सो how to solve equation solvable for y? The first step is differentiate the equation that we have given to obtain a differential equation. Solve that differential equation to obtain an equation of this form. फिर इस solution और जो main differential equation थी उसमें से p को eliminate करो और जो भी मिलेगा वो solution होगा. और नहीं eliminate कर पाते तो x और y को p और c के terms में express कर दो as a parametric equation in terms of p. Now a special case here would be, I write it here. A special case here would be when y is just a function of p. what we'll get here is x absent होगा, x का टर्म रहेगा ही नहीं है, तो we'll have y as a function of p. Now how to solve this equation? ये इक्वेशन तो हम आसानी से सॉल्व करेंगे. When we get y as a function of p, we can solve it by separating variables. So this is a very easy case, or it's a special case. So special case in this equation would be जब x ही ना हो, y as just a function of p, then this could be easily solved by separating variables, जो हम already पहले देख ही चुके हैं. So is everyone clear? What are the steps to solve an equation solvable for y? Differential equation को पहले differentiate करो, solution निकालो, फिर solution और main equations में से p को eliminate करने की कोशिश करो, जो भी मिलेगा वो differential equation का solution होगा. Clear? Let us do one thing. एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं और उन्हीं में इन स्टेप्स को अप्लाई करके देखते हैं. So let us understand this all with help of an illustration. Let us say we have a differential equation y equals to 2px minus p square. Clear? So we have a differential equation y equals to 2px minus p square, and we have to solve this. Now is this an equation solvable for y? We will say yes, because यहाँ y is an explicit function of x and p. We are able to express y as an explicit function of x and p. The function is 2px minus p square. So this equation is solvable for y. ये condition तो satisfy हो गई. Now let us do the first step. Differentiate this differential equation. So I'll get dy by dx, which is equals to p is equals to 2p plus 2x into dp by dx minus 2p dp by dx. Okay, now we have to solve this differential equation. So let us see how we can solve this. We have p equals to 2p plus 2x dp by dx minus 2p dp by dx. So this equation would be 0, p plus dp by dx हम कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. So we'll get 2x minus 2p. Or I can write 2p minus x into dp by dx is equals to p. This is what we can write, or we can write this as 1 minus x upon p. This is equals to dx upon dp. Perfect. What we are trying to do is, we are trying to reduce this equation in terms of linear differential equation. I think we have already reduced this. So we have 2 into 1 minus x upon p as dx by dp. And how we can write this? We can write this as dx by dp is equals to plus 2 x 2 upon p into x is equals to 2. Perfect. We have a differential equation of the form dx by dp into 2 upon p into x is equals to 2. So we have a linear differential equation in x, and integrating factor is e to the power integral 2 upon p dx, which is e to the power 2 ln p, which is ln p square, or this is equals to p square. So our integrating factor is p square, and what is the solution? The solution would be x into p square is equals to integration of 2 into p square. Perfect. So we have x p square equals to 2p square plus c. So a solution 2p cube by 3 plus c. So we will have x equals to 2p upon 3 plus c upon p cube. So what we have done, we have expressed x as a in form of parameter p and c. Instead of eliminating p, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है, हमने x को एक पैरामीटर p और c के फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर दिया है. So we will say this is the solution of our differential equation. Clear सभी को? Perfectly clear? Once again let us revise the steps. The first step, हमने differential equation को, हमने इसको differentiate करके एक differential equation बनाई. Next what we did was we found the solution of this differential equation. और इसके बाद हमें क्या करना था, इसमें से p को एलिमिनेट करना था, पर हमें उसकी जरूरत पड़ी ही नहीं क्योंकि हमने नेक्स्ट वाली चीज कर ली, हमने x को पैरामीटर p और c के फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर दिया. सो ऐसे दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ माय डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सभी को क्लियर है हाउ टू सॉल्व डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस फॉर y? लेट अस टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. और ऐसे नाउ आई वुड लाइक यू टू सॉल्व दिस एग्जांपल. क्वेश्चन लिखिए. Isn't this easy? It is all like solving differential equation of first order and first degree, but the only trick present here is we have to reduce these equations to that form. हम यहाँ पे क्या सीख रहे हैं, हम इक्वेशन ऑफ हायर ऑर्डर वन और हायर डिग्री को बेसिकली रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस ऑफ ऑर्डर वन एंड डिग्री वन. तो हम स्टेप्स तो वही यूज कर रहे हैं, जस्ट दैट वी आर जस्ट रिड्यूसिंग दिस इक्वेशंस टू अवर normal equation of higher order and one degree, of one order and one degree. So write over one more differential equation. Let us say we have a differential equation y equals to minus px plus xp square x to the power 4. So the differential equation we have is y equals to minus px plus p square, sorry not p square x to the power 4. We have to solve this differential equation. Y equals to minus px plus p square x to the power 4. Now tell me how we will solve this differential equation. First what we have here is y as a function of p and x. Y is an explicit function of p and x. So this equation is solvable for y. This is the equation of 2 degree and order 1. So the first step here is, मतलब बिल्कुल क्लियर है, यहाँ तो सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है कि मेरे को क्या स्टेप्स अप्लाई करनी है. देख लिया कि कौन सा तरीका स्टेप वाला मेथड लगेगा. इक्वेशन सॉल्वेबल फॉर y. आई हैव ऑलरेडी सीन, आई नो दिस इज एन इक्वेशन ऑफ हायर ऑर्डर, वन ऑर्डर एंड हायर डिग्री. तो मतलब यही वाली स्टेप्स लगनी है. दिस इज वेरी श्योर. व्हेन दिस इज सो इजी, जस्ट सी, यू नो आइडेंटिफिकेशन का तरीका बहुत आसान है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही. वी नो द स्टेप्स, बस स्टेप्स फॉलो करते जाओ और सोल्यूशन अपने आप मिल ही जाता है. दिस इज रियली इजी एक्चुअली. लेट अस सी. We have y equals to minus px plus p square x to the power 4. First step is differentiate this equation. So I get dy by dx which is equals to p equals to minus p plus x, or we'll say minus only, minus x into dp by dx. Okay, plus 4x cube into p square plus x to the power 4 into 2p dp by dx. Perfect. Minus p minus x into dp by dx plus 4x cube p square plus x to the power 4 2p into dp by dx. So let us reduce this differential equation. यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा 2p, dp by dx की टर्म्स को कॉमन ले लेते हैं. सो वी कैन टेक x कॉमन फ्रॉम हियर. सो वी गेट 2x cube p minus 1 into dp by dx. इन दोनों में से हमने x dp by dx कॉमन निकाला, तो what did we get? वो 2x cube p minus 1 into dp by dx, and here what we have, one more term, minus 4x cube p square. Okay, so this would be, इसमें से हम 2p कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. So we get 1 minus 2x cube p minus 1 minus 2x cube p into x dp by dx. This is equals to 0. or I can write this as 1 minus 2x cube p into 2p plus x dp by dx. This is equals to 0. Perfect. So we have 1 minus 2x cube p into 2p plus x dp by dx equals to 0. So we have either 1 minus 2x cube p 0 or 2p plus x dp by dx 0. So let us consider this case first. So we have 2p plus x dp by dx equals to 0, or I can write minus 2p equals to x dp by dx, or we can write dx by x is equals to dp minus dp upon 2p, and the solution would be ln x equals to minus 1 upon 2 ln p plus c equals plus ln c, or I can say ln x square plus ln p equals to ln c, or we can say x square p equals to c. So यहाँ से what do we get? X square into p is equals to c. On so we have x square p equals to c. So what we should do now is eliminate p from here. So we have p is equals to c upon x square. So in this equation what I can write, c upon x square, sorry, you write y equals to minus c upon x square into x plus c square x to the power 4 into x to the power 4. So whatever solution we get from here is the solution of this differential equation. सभी को क्लियर है कैसे सॉल्व किया? वही स्टेप्स हमने वापस से फॉलो की. We know this is a differential equation of higher degree. This differential equation has y as the explicit function of x and p. Steps क्या है? पहले इसको डिफरेंशिएट करके डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑब्टेन करी, इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को सॉल्व किया, इसका सोल्यूशन मिला, यहां से p को एलिमिनेट किया और जो भी सोल्यूशन मिला, दिस इज द सोल्यूशन ऑफ अवर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. परफेक्ट. सो इज एवरीवन क्लियर हाउ टू सॉल्व डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस फॉर y? कोई भी डाउट हो तो पूछ लीजिए. नहीं? सो नाउ लेट अस सी हाउ टू सॉल्व डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस फॉर x. दैट इज अवर थर्ड मेथड. अभी तक हमने दो मेथड्स डिस्कस कर ली है, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सॉल्वेबल फॉर p एंड डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सॉल्वेबल फॉर y. Let us discuss the third one, which is differential equation solvable for x. First, I will request आप सभी इसको note down कर लीजिए. Once you just note it down, then we will discuss differential equation solvable for x. इसे जल्दी से note down कर लीजिए सभी.